Hello everyone and welcome to Law Chakra. In the recent highlights, it is seen that Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has moved an appeal in the Surat Session Court challenging his conviction in the defamation case. Rahul Gandhi की appeal में there consist of two applications. The first being application for suspension of sentence, which is essentially an application for regular bail, and the second being an application for the suspension of conviction. राहुल गांधी की फाइल की गई सेकेंड एप्लीकेशन अगर अलाउ होती है देन हिज मेंबरशिप ऑफ द लोक सभा विल बी रिस्टोर्ड सब्जेक्ट टू द इशुएंस ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ द लोक सभा सेक्रेटरीट इन दिस रिगार्ड। 3 अप्रैल को हुई हियरिंग में कोर्ट ने राहुल गांधी की अपील सुनी। हिज सेंटेंस हैज बीन स्टेड बाय द कोर्ट एंड ही इज ग्रांटेड बेल टिल April 13th, बट द कोर्ट डिड नॉट स्टेट द कन्विक्शन ऑफ द कांग्रेस लीडर। हाउएवर, कोर्ट ने कंप्लेनेंट को नोटिस इशू कर दिया है ऑन गांधीज प्ली फॉर अ स्टे ऑन हिज कन्विक्शन। द कंप्लेनेंट हैज बीन आस्क्ड टू फाइल हिज रिप्लाई बाय 10th of April. नाउ द हियरिंग ऑन कन्विक्शन इज शेड्यूल्ड फॉर May 3rd. अगर राहुल गांधी के अगेंस्ट पास किया गया ये वर्डिक्ट कैंसिल नहीं हुआ देन ही विल बी डिस्क्वालिफाइड टू कंटेस्ट पोल्स फॉर 8 years. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं दैट राहुल गांधी इज स्ट्रगलिंग हार्ड दीज डेज because of his remark over the surname मोदी। 2019 में करौल के पॉलिटिकल कैंपेन में कांग्रेस लीडर राहुल गांधी ने कहा था that why do all these thieves have मोदी as their surname? नीरव मोदी, ललित मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी। After this remark, BJP MLA and former Gujarat Minister Purnesh Modi filed a defamation suit under Section 499 and Section 500 of the Indian Penal Code. Surat District Court on 23rd of March 2023 found Rahul Gandhi guilty of defamation and sentenced him to 2 years in prison. However, he was granted a 30-day bail in this case to allow him to appeal in a higher court. Rahul Gandhi के conviction के बाद many political leaders such as Priyanka Gandhi, former Karnataka CM HD Kumaraswamy, Arvind Kejriwal and many others has slammed Narendra Modi. The hardships of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi did not stop here after his conviction. 24 मार्च 2023 को he was disqualified as a member of the Lok Sabha. We must tell you that a 2-year jail term and the disqualification of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi would mean he would not be able to contest the 2024 general elections. The disqualification of the Congress leader has sparked concerns about the state of democracy in India. His disqualification has led to protest in the state of Chhattisgarh by Youth Congress against the BJP. इतना ही नहीं, the incident has prompted opposition leaders to seek judicial intervention. In a united move, 14 opposition parties have moved the Supreme Court over alleged misuse of the central investigation agencies by the Narendra Modi government. पिटिशनर्स का कहना है कि पिछले कुछ सालों में गवर्नमेंट इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसीज का मिसयूज कर रही है फॉर पॉलिटिकल गेन्स एंड इट हैज बिकम नॉर्मल, इसलिए दे आर सीकिंग इमीडिएट जुडिशियल इंटरवेंशन इन द मैटर। इस पिटीशन को कोर्ट April 5th को सुनेगी और पिटिशनर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे कांग्रेस लीडर एंड सीनियर एडवोकेट डॉक्टर मनु सिंघवी। डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन के बाद राहुल गांधी ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी ऑर्गेनाइज की थी। ही इवन कमेंटेड दैट मैं भारत की आवाज के लिए लड़ रहा हूँ, मैं हर कीमत चुकाने को तैयार हूँ, और इसी के चलते ही इवन फाइल्ड एन अपील बिफोर द सूरत सेशन कोर्ट। इसके अलावा सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज ऑलरेडी हियरिंग अ रिट पिटीशन बाय PhD स्कॉलर एंड सोशल एक्टिविस्ट Abha Muralidharan. She has challenged the constitutional validity of Section 8 subsection 3 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. इस केस में पिटिशनर का कहना है कि cited section अपने आप में self contradictory है and is ultra virus of the Constitution. We have already discussed about this case in detail on our YouTube channel. You can check the link of the video in the captions. अब ये तो बात हुई what is happening in India over Rahul Gandhi issue. But do you know the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi as a MP has become a hot topic outside of India too. Indian American Congressman Ro Khanna, co-chair of the Congressional Caucus on India and Indian Americans, and who also represents Silicon Valley in the US House of Representatives, have made several remarks over the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi as MP. He said the expulsion of Rahul Gandhi from parliament is a deep betrayal of Gandhian philosophy and India's deepest values. This is not what my grandfather sacrificed years in jail for. Urging the Prime Minister Modi for intervention in this issue, he tweeted that you have the power to reverse this decision for the sake of Indian democracy. Apart from him, George Abraham, Vice Chair of the Indian Overseas Congress USA, termed Gandhi's disqualification as a sad day for democracy in India. He said that it is a sad day for democracy in India. By disqualifying Rahul Gandhi, Modi Sarkar is ringing the death knell for the right of the free speech and freedom of Indians everywhere. सिर्फ यूएसए ही नहीं, even the German Foreign Ministry spokesperson has made the statement during a press briefing. We have taken note of the verdict of the first instance against the Indian opposition politician Rahul Gandhi as well as the suspension of his parliamentary mandate. To our knowledge, Rahul Gandhi is in a position to appeal the verdict. An appeal will show whether the verdict stands and whether suspension has a basis. We expect standards of judicial independence and democratic principles to be applied. जर्मनी स्पोक्सपर्सन के इस स्टेटमेंट के बाद वेटरन कांग्रेस लीडर दिग्विजय सिंह ने ट्विटर पे जर्मनी के सपोर्ट को एक्नॉलेज किया और कहा, थैंक यू जर्मनी फॉरेन अफेयर्स मिनिस्ट्री and Richard Walker for taking note of how the democracy is being compromised in India through the persecution of Rahul Gandhi. Veteran Congress leader के इस मूव के बाद many BJP leaders and the Union Law Minister Kiran Rijiju criticized Congress and Singh, accusing the party of inviting foreign interference in the internal affairs. After the statement released by the Germany, the European Union too now formally following the Rahul Gandhi case. Peter Steno, the European Union's lead spokesperson for foreign affairs and security police, said the European Union is following closely the case against Rahul Gandhi and his subsequent dismissal from the parliament, but will wait to make a statement as we do not comment on a case that is still in court. In other words, the European Union will watch the developments of the judicial process closely and wait until the court gives its verdict on Gandhi's appeal. European Union even highlighted the importance of opposition in a democracy, stating that pluralism and open political debate are essential features of our democratic societies. This is what makes them vibrant and dynamic. The role of the opposition is key in this respect. We are seeing that because Rahul Gandhi is getting the support of foreign countries, it has caused a conflict among the leaders of the BJP and Congress. On one side, BJP leaders are firm about not tolerating foreign intervention in India's internal affairs. On the other hand, the Congress leaders are openly appreciating the support of foreign spokesperson and their representatives for Rahul Gandhi. This fight is not going to end anytime soon. So, we will keep you updated on the latest developments of this issue. Keep following Law Chakra and thank you.